guys, welcome to a new video. Me and Ashton, we're going to do some parkour. We've got 3 rounds. What the frick is that sound?
A dying
we've got 3 rounds. Round 1, I go and do my thing, then he goes after me. Round 2, so basically round 1, he starts with a 5-second head start. Round 2, I go with the 5-second head start, and round 3, it's first back to this red car. Didn't mean to pull up my gun.
Alright, you ready?
Yep, go.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're coming, boy!
Shit, you hear that?
So comment down below who you think won round 1 and round 2, and then round 3 is going to be pretty obvious who wins because it's first back to that red truck. Oh no! No! Ashton wanted me up! Ashton! No!
Reach out, I'm not going to lose his momentum.
My momentum is really bad right now.
Huh?
Go, go, go. There's like a jump at the end of this that Ashton always makes and I can't make, so...
I feel like I'm not going to make it though, it's the thing. Here we go.
It's really jump, like, your character's not meant to be able to do, but sometimes you can do it.
No!
Did you do
I'm
it?
stuck in the glitch! Okay, never mind, I got out.
Brad, do it.
Did you do it, Jared?
$10 says I fall. $10 says I fall. He just backflips. I backflipped and landed on it. I did it. Ashton, I did it.
Yeah, you got time.
Oh. I don't make it, and then that time I do a backflip and land.
Alright, well I won that round because I got here first. Round 1 goes to me. Alright.